Guys, welcome back. Today we're making chicken tacos. I have 2 chicken breasts that were sauteed on the stove and chopped. I also have these Chi-Chi flour tortillas that I browned on the stove. They come like this in the store, probably like $1 something a pack. I use the street taco size and not the big burrito size. But that's these. I browned them on the stove. I just put a little bit of oil in the pan and flip them each way. I have a Mexican mix of cheese there, white and yellow cheese. I have tomatoes, lettuce and spinach and arugula, onion, avocados, and I'll put some sauce on the top. So I'm going to show you how I put these together and how I plate these. Chicken tacos are very easy to make. You can change the meat as you like. We're going to make fish ones too. So what you want to do is take your tortilla, fold it over, take a little bit of chicken. I usually put my chicken at the bottom. Whatever works for you. Let's get you a couple pieces in there. Whatever everybody likes. Some lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and a slice of avocado. So I'll make 3 of these and I'll show you. Let's do another one here next. Let's try to line these up. Chicken, depending on how hungry you are. Lettuce, tomato. And then you can serve this with wild rice, whatever type of rice you like. I'm making yellow rice with this tonight. Just cut that out. Some cheese, avocado on the top. All right, let's do one more just to load this plate up. Chicken, lettuce, tomato. I like to put lime on the side. I ain't got none today, but that would make a cute little presentation. Avocado. So we'll go in with our topping. Just yum yum sauce. And there you go. There's your taco. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you.